Good afternoon, dear students. I am Dr. G.B. Shendge, Assistant Professor, Department of Agronomy, College of Agriculture, Baramati. This is the next exercise of our course. The course number is Agro 3612. This is the exercise number 15. Title of this exercise is Application of Nanotechnology in Agriculture, or application or uses of nanotechnology in crop production or in agriculture. Okay, first see the what is meant by nanotechnology. Okay, nanotechnology or nanoparticles, these are the two different terms. Nanoparticles means the particles which are not seen by our eyes, which is seen under various microscopes, that is called as nanoparticles. And nanotechnology, this is the technology used in precision farming for increasing the production of crop, maximize the production crop production, and minimize the wastage of or minimize the wastage of material, that is called as nanotechnology. It is the art and science of manipulating the matter and nanoscale, that is called as nanotechnology. The design, characterization, production and application of structure, device and system by controlling the shape and size at nanoscale. Shape and size, this is the two most important material in nanoparticles or in nanoscale. Okay. And then see the what is meant by nanoscale. Nanoscale, nano, it is a Greek word meaning means dwarf. Nano means dwarf. Okay, 1 nm, 1 nanometer is equal to 10 raised to minus 9 or 1 billion of meter, that is called as nano. The size ranges between 0.1 to 100 nm, nanometer. The size of nanoparticles is between 0.1 to 100 nm, nanometer. Then see the application of nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is used in various fields like agriculture, textile industries, biotechnology. It is also used in cosmetic and paints. It is also used in engineering, in architecture, then biomedical and drug delivery, optical engineering and communication, electronics, defense and security, and energy storage. Okay, these are the different uses of nanotechnology. But application then see the application of nanotechnology in medical field. It is used in cancer treatment. Nanotechnology is used in cancer treatment, bone treatment, drug delivery, appetite control, drug development, medical tools, diagnostic test and imaging. It is used for various treatments, it is used for curing the various diseases. It is also used in information technology, IT department, for it develop by using the nanotechnology, it develop various programs, languages, sensors, etc., which is smaller, faster and more energy efficient and powerful computing. Then it is used in production of different energies from solar, from fuel and from batteries. More efficient and cost effective technologies for energy productions like solar energy, then fuel cells and batteries. It is also used in consumer goods, for food and beverage, for increasing the shelf life of product. The nanotechnology also used in food and beverage. Also it is used in packaging. In the packaging it increases the shelf life of that product. Then application in textile. Nanotechnology is used in textile for developing the stain-proof, waterproof and wrinkle-free textile. It is also used for preparing the various cosmetics and household management, it is used for preparation of paints, colors, then scratch free products, and various cosmetic creams are produced by using the nanotechnology. Then see the major goals of nanotechnology in agriculture. Okay, the goals of nanotechnology are falls into several categories, that is increase the production rates and yield. The main goal of nanotechnology is to increase the production of crop, also yield of that crop, increase the efficiency of resources utilization, maximum utilization of the available resources. Then minimize the waste productions from various crops and from different enterprises is minimized by using the nanotechnology. The nano based treatments of agriculture waste means after harvesting or after taking the economic part of the plant, the remaining material, that is the waste material like crop residue, leaves, stem, straw, etc., By using the nano based treatments, this waste material are decomposed and it is again used as a manure for growing the crop. Then nanosensors which detect the diseases and pests which are attacked on the crop. Then specific applications includes, it is specifically used in nano fertilizers and nano pesticides. Then see the application of nanotechnology in agriculture and in allied sciences. Okay, nanotechnology is used in food technology. Food technology but in this sector by using the smart packaging with nanosilicon, which increase the shelf life of the food material. Then in crop improvement, gene therapy for plants, use of 3 nanometer mesoporous silica nanoparticles. Okay, this is the gene therapy for plants which improve the different production characteristics of that plant, like number of tillers, okay, resistance to the pest, resistant to diseases. These are the different resistance are developed in this plant by using the nanotechnology. Then in seed technology, the carbon nanotubes are used, and these nanotubes increases the germination through better penetration of the moisture. Then in precision farming means, in the precision farming it is also called as smart field system. In this farming, by using the nanotechnology or by using the nano sensors, it detects the those crops which are attacked by the pest or by the diseases. Okay, and this monitor also soil conditions and crop growth over vast areas. Such sensors have already been employed in other countries like US, Australia, etc. Okay. Then plant pathology. In the plant pathology, 100% growth inhibition was seen in the Pythium altium. Okay, this is the or Colutrichum gloeosporites and Rhizoctonia solanae showed at 10 ppm of the nano-sized silica silver. Then in soil remediation, in this point, the nanotech based soil binders, it is also called as soil set, which is employed to avoid the soil erosion. By using the soil set, the soil erosion is reduced. Then removal of heavy materials, ligand based nano coating can be utilized for effective removal of heavy metals. Okay, then in water management, the different nanotechnologies are used for water management. The purified or filtered water is provided to the crops. Okay, then in animal science, nanomicelles, liposomes and nano emulsion complex improves the utilization efficiency of nutrients in the fodder. In the fishery and in aquaculture, the NanoCheck 40 NM, this is the lanthanum based compounds which absorb the phosphorus or phosphorus material from the water and prevent the algae growth. And in the pest management, the different pests or different pesticides are prepared by using the nanotechnology for controlling the only one pest or specific or targeted pest. Okay, these are the different application of nanotechnology in agriculture and allied sciences. Then see the description of this these applications, and that is the food science and technology. In nanotechnology for enhancing the food security in India, or nutritional food is produced by using the nanotechnology and which is safe to the human beings. In hybrid polymer, the smart packaging, in this smart packaging, the nano silicon, this is the material is used for packaging. By using this packaging material, it enhances the shelf life of that food material. Shelf life is improved by using the nanotechnology in food science and technology. This is crop improvement. In the crop improvement, the specific characters of that crops are increased, like number of tillers, okay, number of branches, number of pods. These are the increased by using the gene therapy for plants. Use of 3 nm nanometer mesoporous silica nanoparticles, that is called as MSN, for smuggling foreign DNA into the cell, and it shows the feasibility of DNA sequencing using a fluid nano channel, the functionalized with a graphene nano ribbon. Then in seed technology, the carbon nanotubes are used for increasing the germination percentage of the seeds. Okay, and this germination by using the nanotubes, it increases the germination through the better penetration of the moisture into the seeds. Okay. Then precision farming. Precision farming, it is also called as smart field system. Okay. In this system, the various sensors or various applications or nanotechnologies are used for production of the crops, and this bio nanotechnology has designed sensors which give increased sensitivity and earlier response to environmental changes and linked into the GPS. Okay. Environmental changes are captured by using these sensors, okay, and which these sensors are linked to the GPS system. Okay. It is called as global positioning system, which is connected to the GPS. Okay. This monitors soil conditions and crop growth over vast areas. Such sensors have already been used in the USA and in Australia. Then plant pathology. In the plant pathology, the 100% growth inhibition was seen in the Pythium, then Coleotrichum gliosporide, Botrytis, then Rhizoctonia soloni, which is showed at 10 ppm of the nano-sized silica silver, which have emerged as a vital tool for detection of particular biological marker with extreme accuracy. Okay. It detects the plant which is affected by the various diseases, and this diseases is corrected by applying the precise chemical. Okay. This is the plant pathology. Then soil remediation. In the soil remediation, the nanotech based soil binder, this is called as soil set, which is employed to avoid the soil erosion. For controlling or for avoiding the soil erosion, the soil set are used. Then removal of heavy metals. The ligand based nano coating can be utilized for effective removal of the heavy metals, as 3 have high absorption tendency. Okay. By using the ligand material or based nano coating material, which is used for removing the heavy metals which are present in soil, also present in water. Then water treatment, the magnetite, that is called as iron oxide nanocrystals to capture and remove the arsenic from contaminated water. Okay. Arsenic, which is very harmful to the living organism, it is also harmful to the crops, and these arsenic compounds are removed by using the magnetite nanocrystals. Then animal science. In the animal science, the nanomicelles or liposomes, nano emulsions complexes which improve the utilization efficiency of nutrients in the fodder. By using this nanomicelles and liposomes, the efficiency of nutrient in the fodder which are improved. In the fishery and aquaculture, the NanoCheck 40 Nm, the lanthanum based compounds which absorb the phosphates from the water and prevents the algae water. Okay. NanoCheck, this is the NanoCheck 40, this absorb phosphates which are present in water and prevents the algal growth. Then fast growing fish, younger calf exhibited 30% faster growth rate when fed with iron nanoparticles. Okay. We are providing or we feed the nanoparticles, iron nanoparticles to the fish calf, which improve or which increase the 30% faster growth of the fish. Then in agriculture and engineering, the nano coating of agriculture tools to increase their resistance against the wear and corrosion. The nano coating material is used for the developing the different agricultural tools like plow, harrow, etc. This nano coating material which increase their resistance against the wear and corrosion. Then nano fertilizer technology. The nanotechnology is mostly used in nanofertilizer. Okay. The foliar application of nanophosphorus as a fertilizers, the application rate is 640 mg per hectare, and soil application of phosphorus fertilizer 80 kg per hectare, which yielded equally in cluster bean and in pearl millet under the arid environment. Okay. Then in weed management, soybean based nano surfactant are reported to make glyphosate resistant crops susceptible to glyphosate. Okay. In the weed management, the some crops which are developed which are resistant to that herbicides, and its effects only on the weeds. Okay. No damage to the crops or economical plant or non targeted plant. Okay, this is the world largest agrochemical companies. Syngenta have a number of chemicals with emulsion that contains the nanoparticles. Okay, world's largest the private companies which are used the nanotechnology for developing the nanopesticides, nanofertilizers, etc. Okay, then application of nanotechnology in sericulture. The 25 ppm of silver nanoparticles can be used as a growth stimulant to increase the silk yield. Okay, silver nanoparticle are used as a growth stimulant, and due to the stimulating or stopping the growth of the organism, it increases the silk yield. Okay, these are the different application of nanotechnology in agriculture and in allied sciences. Okay, this is the whole information about application of nanotechnology in agriculture. Okay, this is the exercise number 15. Thank you.